Introducing the LED Heli Ball from TX Juice. Use your hands, feet, or any other part of your body to keep it in the air. Patented motion sensing technology detects what's below and hovers above it. Or use the manual trigger control and see how close you can get to the ceiling or floor without crashing. The unique juice button activates the super bright LEDs, creating magical light shows and illuminating huge spaces. Up to 3 players with no interference for the ultimate competition. How long can you stay flying? Auto flight and awesome light shows, only with the LED Heli Ball. TX Juice, it's all about the button.